time, whoever is left, just tag me in your groups. I'm added in all the groups now, and I'll give the feedback there, or you can send me an email asking, ma'am, please give the feedback, and I will give it there. All right, so let's start. Arya, are you here? One second. Arya, are you here? Arya Thorat, are you here? Am I audible, guys? Because I saw him that he was here
Yes,
right
ma'am.
now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am,
You're
you're
audible.
audible.
All right. Not there, Tata. Bye bye. Pritika, are you here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yes, Pritika. So the first one, okay, like it's an orphanage and they are planting trees in the bottle. That's a really good story, and good one. Like this concept, I liked. I think you could have done more of detailing. In the rest, I found, because I saw it on the group also right now, because I think you were the only one I saw who has sent. So, a lot of negative spaces there.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you see the empty space here? Here, don't leave it. Don't leave a small dot of space in any exercise that you're trying to do. Right? Please keep that in mind, because the mouse and the cat, the story should be there. You can make something in the background, a carpet, a rug, you can add those details. All right. And this one also I liked, really good. Using simple lines, you have created the structure of a home and how the person is walking outside the home, and fishes and all these things. Very good job. Rest I didn't find, so I hope that you will work on them. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. And you have posted on group, I saw, and the others, make sure it's on your group as well if it is here. Arya, are you here still? Arya Thorat.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, you are here. All right. Arya, I really liked your story, your composition. You have done a very good job in all of these, like whichever you attempted. It's new, it's unique, it's creative, it's funny. It's just that I want you to do much more neater work. That's it. That's my only suggestion. Rest, everything is very good. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Just make it neater, no? See how this coloring has been done. Just make it neater, because your concept story is very good. This idea of getting married, or, turning into a tree, or this you are going to bus, or the lion is hunting in a den. Very good. All these are very good. Good job. Anjita, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Anjita, I don't know why you didn't color. So I don't know why you didn't color. This girl is looking outside at the birds, at the nest. It's a very simple idea. Like I can, a lot of people will make the same. So think about something else. Maybe she is looking at her grandparents sitting on a bench and talking to each other, or maybe she is looking at two people fighting. And I like the detailings on the table and everything, but you can think more here. Don't go with easy things. I like the roller coaster ride here, because you have used the negative space in the background, but this honeybee, it's like not good. Similarly, here you have just spotted the things that we discussed. There's no new idea in the first one. The bottle is broken, the calendar is on the table, and the fight is happening. Domestic violence, you need to show more something like much more detailing and coloring is required. You need to level up. All right, because there always will be comparative marking. Like you cannot expect a design teacher who's checking 50 papers will not compare you with what the other person has done. So if everyone does that, then everyone gets the same mark. One person does good, everyone gets the less marks, and that one person gets good. All right. So keep that in mind. Anushka, your email is empty. Anushka Kesarwani. You can see it on my
Yes,
screen.
ma'am.
Your email is empty.
Ma'am, I resend it.
Sorry.
मैम अभी रिसेंड कर दे रहे हैं.
हाँ कर दो. Jeevita, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Jeevita? Yes. Uh, Jeevita, which story is this?
Actually, I was absent for the doodling class, so I wasn't sure what to do. But this was
All the
the story.
questions were in the PDF, and how many people are in your group? Why didn't you ask them? Why didn't you ask me? So the first question, this was not the question. I don't think so. I gave a question saying make a happy birthday
No,
a
ma'am.
storyboard. So I won't check it. Even this one, like I don't know what is it. What's the question here?
Ma'am, this was actually last week. A girl named Janvi told that she would be submitting the storyboarding, so it was about that.
Yeah, but this class is on doodling and scribbling exercises. So when that class happens, you come with that question. All right. So storyboard, the doodling. This is a doodling and scribbling exercise where I told them to do the work in the last class. So if you haven't attended, then there's no feedback. You can do it with a friend, whoever. But if you don't attend class, there's no feedback. Mitushi, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mitushi, the first two things are the things that you made in the class itself. I thought you would do much more in that, which means you would have colored or made it more perfect. So try to work on that. Because
Okay,
if you
ma'am.
are satisfied with it, I am not. The second one, COVID updates and everything, I really like the idea. I like how you have put the bottles in the fridge and how, in the background of the first storyboard things are happening. So color these two. This
Okay.
one you have used it really well. You have used the lines in a very good manner. I hope students who can see this screen, very good job, Mitushi.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you haven't used text, but it's very understandable what is happening in the story and everything. So good. And again, like I don't know why I'm just seeing animals outside the
Ma'am,
window,
it's
and I
basically like it's COVID, so animals are roaming on the road and we are stuck in the house. I was trying to do
then
that.
show that there is some lockdown. Like in the calendar, you need to put something. Or maybe the phone is in her side on which the screen is open and it's showing COVID. Like I get it, June 2020, but still I cannot imagine. I don't know, it doesn't fit for me. Like I don't know, like maybe you could color the wall with posters, or it's an office, or she's looking outside the hospital. Inside
Okay.
you can make the scene of a hospital if that's what you want to
Yeah.
do.
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
do that.
Yeah, so try to connect the outside and inside. The connection is little less just here, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And it might
Okay.
be overlooked. Like if I see 10 check 10 papers, then I might not see it also. I will just say, oh, again animals, right? So just
Yeah.
work on that. And
Okay.
very good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Himashri, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Himashri, first and second box, why are they empty?
Uh,
In exam we have to do extra. We have to take and steal all the spaces they give. We don't have to leave them empty. It's
I
written
don't.
complete the box or it's written complete the boxes. It doesn't matter. I don't think they will fail you if you will fill the first two boxes. Right? We need to be different and we need to be out of the box. So try to complete the first two as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, maybe girl sitting on the chair, and maybe in the first picture it's a lockdown, or you are just getting ready for a webinar in which you are teaching how to make planters from bottles. Anything it could be. All right, and
Yes.
don't use pen. If you have used, stop using it. In exam you won't be allowed it, and you will feel very difficult in using pencil colors. So don't make pen a habit. All right.
Yes.
Party props, woolen clothes. I really liked it. Aquarium, but I don't understand. There was a table and she was sitting like this. So in an aquarium, I don't know if that is there or is it in her house.
Yeah, and this
Yes,
line.
but again, this is a shortcut method that you are taking. You need to complete the whole scenario. Draw it.
Yes.
You have to go the extra mile, no? Because in this, the others who made, if you ask me, like, if I tell you, who will you give more marks, Mitushi or yourself? It's obvious, right? Because your concept is better, but you haven't taken extra effort. All right? So
Yes.
complete everything. Good.
Well, I think there
Sabi,
was another one in that.
there was one more. All
Yeah,
right.
there was
Let
a
me
keyboard.
just wait. Oh yeah. There's one more. Where are the lines? In this one, I understand the line. In this one also, where is the line here? Was it in the center? This one?
Yeah, that one.
From next time, try to mark it with another color. This is for everyone because like this, it's unable for me to understand like how you used the line. All right. So I remember few lines, so I can understand that okay, that this line was there or this line was there, but this arrow, I don't know how it's coming. All right. So
Yes.
try to keep the lines, try to keep them darker for one shade of color, even in the exam paper, so the examiner knows how you are using the lines. All right.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Savi, are you here? Savi Shetty.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, this is a train, right? Is this a train?
Yes, ma'am.
It's good, but outside there needs to be something else. We cannot just make houses and parks and think creative, add more things. I like the inside idea of the train, but maybe outside you can show a dam or something which is different. Maybe a beggar is asking outside, like give food or poverty, something. All right. Okay. And there was one more you made. This one is for the first one. Like I said, you need to keep the lines. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you did only two. You need to complete the rest.
Yes, ma'am.
Stuti, are you here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Stuti, why such rough work? What happened?
I didn't color the entire thing. So.
I'm not talking about coloring. Do you see your liver surgery and the box outside it and the box of the frame, like this line and then this line, then this line? Liver surgery, it's funny, it's good, but it needs to be neater. It's not neat at all.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. These two I liked both. You need to finish them up because you will, it becomes a habit. I had a habit of just doing things roughly and thinking that, okay, in the exam I will do it. In the exam, I had time management issues. Right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
just try to finish it because maybe the same question will come up, or maybe the same lungs you can use in a poster, same lungs you can use on a book cover. That will help you. This is yours, right? This is your idea, so use it in ways you can use them. All right. Okay. COVID meeting part 2. Okay, here I see the line. There was this line. There was this line. Good. Ye kya hua? Rest 2 still thinking. End of.
Yes. Yeah, I didn't really get the good idea for it. So
when you don't get the idea, then if you are unable to complete the rest 3, then you have to extend one in the 2 boxes.
okay.
Maybe try to create the same situation with that line. Just try to fit in.
Okay.
Because you are extending the story, right? So
Yeah.
the Earth Pinata, so try to use the same thing here, maybe the zoom in version here and this one here. Then shift
Okay.
the box, like extend the story.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
She was looking at the TV so close. Like, is it a TV she was looking at?
Yeah.
It's good that you are showing some information that you already know about, but think of it as a whole image. She's on the table, her hand is here, she's in a relaxing mode, or what is she doing? Will we see the TV sideways, like what's the scenario. Try to keep that in mind.
Okay.
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 Or maybe she's sitting in a news company where they are checking the videos, like, you need to create that story inside of that room as well.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Sheetal, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Sheetal, I like it. Very good, very neatly done. Looks complete. Tells the story of, person finding treasure box and then constellations. I really love it. This is how you give an exam. If you keep working in this direction, I'm sure you will clear with very good marks and rank. So this is how you finish a homework. Very good. This one again, the train one, and how this is going, the details of the switchboard and the hands and other things look really good. The table will be a little smaller, if it's a train, or if it's, I don't know, AC compartment or something. On the top, try to make signages or something, maybe a handle, to make it more relatable. All right.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, very good. And what about the rest?
Oh, I think it's loading.
It's not loading. I will open it
Okay, I'll
again.
resend.
Yeah, I have just received the first 2 pages. You can resend. Bitul. Bitul, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Very good, Bitul. The first thing of mental health and depression, and 23 missed calls. I really like that detailing that you have done of 23 missed calls, and how the bottle, and it's his birthday and I can get it. The cupcake is there. Very good. I want you to start using colors. I know
Yes,
you
ma'am.
might
Yeah.
not like it, but just use it. If
Yeah,
not,
yeah.
then use the black graphite pencil to give a lot of shading, like lot of black, grays, and white.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And this one, I hope if students are looking, this is how I want when you do the line questions, and the elephant, the puppet, kitchen window, dripping tap, zoom in, save water, and calendar in the background. Very good. This is very good. Just start coloring. With coloring, the details will come and it will enhance more. All right.
Yeah.
Very good job. You are preparing for masters, right?
Yes, yes. Point plus.
Yes. All right. All right. View from inside the ship. Good. Like, I get it, but if that inside the ship would be in perspective, it would look good.
Yeah. Okay.
In that scenario, take a 1 point and then start showing ships, and a full detail of the ship you can show. That will show that you have that observation power and creativity, or you that small, what is that called, that tire that hangs on the side, or the ropes, or maybe the seagulls that are flying. So good. Me turning into a tree. The reason for turning into a tree has to be there. If you saw Arya's, he did that, he ate a seed of a fruit. That's why he turned into a tree. So the reason has to be there in the first or the second box. Maybe he was cutting the tree and the tree engulfed him himself, like, engulfed him inside him. So that has to be there, the reason. And tree in love and jealous and intimidated, I get the expression love has to change.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, love can also be like you put your hand and you are dreaming. So, love has to change. No hearts. It will look little kiddish. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, very good job overall. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
You're welcome. Vaishnavi, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, this arrow was slanting. It was not straight. Check the
Okay.
lines of this again. Check both the lines. This line was also bigger. So you cannot just pick the line and make it according to you. You have to do it over it. That size and length and the placement of that line inside the box cannot change. So recheck the question. Print it
Okay.
out if it's possible. Do it on screen if it's possible. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All in one shop, blind people. Okay, this is the TV one. How is the second box not completed and the third and the fourth is? That has to complete, otherwise it's not a story. Here you will get a 0 in exam. If things like this appear in front of a person, they are allowed to give you a 0. So don't do these things that you complete a story without the middle portion. Not possible. You have to make something. It's not possible. They have given you lines. You cannot just imagine. You have to just imagine and make anything. Just fill the box with anything. All right.
Yes.
These ones, again, I told you they all have to be a part of a story. They can't be different things. It has to be one story.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop the violence, let me grow up, City of Fire, am I next? She's looking at a poster, is what you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Just color it up. All right?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, and make the scenario of where she is sitting. Good. Anuja, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Someone said ma'am. Any issues?
Ma'am, I recently emailed.
Sorry? I recently what?
Email again.
Yes, so it will come. Your turn will come. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
अनुजा, do you remember me saying कि पहले और दूसरे बॉक्स में कंप्लीट करना है? ध्यान कहाँ था?
Ma'am, I forgot that.
बट ऐसे कैसे भूल गई तुम? तुम्हें तो सब याद रहता है. How you forgot?
Sorry,
Because accident page with doodling looks really good. It's new way of showing that the accident has happened. But पहले दो में इतना blank तो नहीं हो सकता. Getting my point?
Yes,
So what you can do is you can make it similar. Doodle in all three.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yes. Biodiversity and lockdown. Biodiversity में तुमने अगर बटरफ्लाई इतनी बड़ी बनाई तो बाकी चीजें भी उतनी बड़ी होंगी. बटरफ्लाई और कहाँ हो सकती है? Where can be a butterfly? Butterfly can be a ring. Butterfly can be an earring. Butterfly can be on a t-shirt. Butterfly can be a bow. Random जगह भरने की जरूरत नहीं है. Try to convert it into a product. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And lockdown corona again. See, you have made a lock and a doodle in it, but you need to understand कि ये है क्या? ये क्या poster है? क्या ये sticker है? क्या ये pattern है? Is it on a diary? That is design. Design means how you use something to sell, right? So you have to convert this into products. Cyber bullying and teenagers. अनुजा बहुत ज़्यादा color हो रहा है. Stop. सारी चीजें को कलर करना जरूरी नहीं है. सारे कलर्स यूज करना it's not necessary. All right. So don't use so many colors. All right.
Okay.
Because right now, see, if you are looking in the screen, you don't know where your eyes are going. But I know that you have made really good elements like, social emojis or emoticons and these kinds of things. So they need to come out. लेकिन आप सारे color use करोगे तो कुछ नहीं दिखेगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Alright, and give importance to the topic. Cyber bullying इतना fun नहीं हो सकता. ये बहुत fun दिख रहा है तुम्हारी drawing. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Again, and see, you are following a pattern. इसमें देखो, इसमें देखो, इसमें देखो, इसमें देखो. Break the monotony. एक जैसा काम मत करो. All right, it's doodling and scribbling, but it's your kind of doodling and scribbling. Okay, so एक दो questions को दोबारा करो in from a different perspective. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Rohita, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Rohita, we have to stop making houses like this. Really.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I forgot.
तुम एक स्क्वायर बॉक्स बना दो और उस पे ऑर्फनेज लिख दो. आई एम फाइन विद इट, बट दिस काइंड ऑफ हाउसेस हैव टू स्टॉप. दे हैव टू स्टॉप. They have to stop.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, because your
Yes.
story is really good. You have made a cloud. He's thinking and he goes to the orphanage and plays on his birthday. Very good. I like it. But just that house is, taking all my attention. So please color it and change it. Otherwise, it's good.
Yes,
Even
ma'am.
this, it's very good. Your whole story, your composition, and very good job.
Thanks, ma'am.
This I don't like. I will not appreciate any animal in the window because a lot of you have done it. So please don't make animals, please. Okay? Or maybe she's
Okay,
in a
ma'am.
resort or in a hotel or in a national park and she's able to see. You come out of my side, I can't see even a sparrow anywhere in 3 kilometers, 10 kilometers. There's no animal living around us. So that scenario needs to be identified. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is good. This one is very good. So poaching and social environment awareness, very good. Good work. Please color them.
Ma'am, you said me to not color with that pencils.
Oh, okay. You haven't bought them yet.
Yeah, ma'am, tell me brand. No, I don't know brand name.
Buy Luna.
Which
Buy Luna.
product.
Buy Stedler on Amazon. Faber-Castell, Luna, Stedler, anything.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And buy
Yes.
set of 12. Don't buy set of 6. 12. 12 or above.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Janvi, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't know we had to make a story out of all that. I just made random things.
Were you in the class?
No, ma'am.
You were not in the class. तो फिर जब क्लास में नहीं होगे तो समझ नहीं आएगा और फिर it will be a mistake. और यही होने वाला है एग्जाम में. Exam में if this question comes, you will do how you want to do it. Then you will get average marks.
I'll redo it and send it again.
All right, because everywhere you have made just different things.
Yes, ma'am.
I like what you have made in each and different box, but to create a story in this box, that is difficult. All right, so try that. Okay, Janvi, I like this tree transformation also. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, but in the last box, we can't just make a simple tree. That way we will not get any marks. Okay. Let's move to next. Sharvat, Tanya, Ria, Rithima, Shreya. These are my kids. Priyanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
You all send direct links, right? Very good. Later on, you have to make a portfolio. You will find all these links. Okay. These are all your questions in one page.
Yeah, ma'am.
Why? Pages कम पढ़ रहे थे?
No, ma'am. My drawing copy was empty, so.
So what? You can't buy a plain paper. Backside कर लेते यार. Because I don't know the first question. It's part of which one? I don't get it. Where is the line? These back to the pearl, I understand. I will give you full marks in this. Below one, I don't want 100 types of colors. ज़्यादा
Okay.
coloring करने से ज़्यादा marks नहीं मिलेंगे. It becomes vague. It doesn't look good. All right. So use
Yeah,
a
ma'am.
theme of color. There's a color theme. पढ़ाया होगा ना सर ने color psychology, color theory. There's a color theme that you need to use. You can't just keep using all types of colors, and you need to separate each question on separate page. Because this first image, I don't know which question was this one where you have made the Ganesha.
That Ganesha's ear. That one is a spiral
But there
kind
was
of
a
thing.
there was a straight line also in it. Where is the straight line?
No, ma'am.
There's a diagonal line in that thing.
I don't think so.
Check the questions again, and each question in one page, Priyanshi.
Okay.
Imagine
Ma'am,
if
one
someone
page
gets
is.
if someone gets this paper, it's all same. It's all same. What is the difference? What is the
No,
difference?
ma'am. Yeah.
This one looks different. Will give you full marks in this one. This, it's all same.
Okay.
Same coloring, same pattern, same thing. There's nothing new you have done in 50, 50, 50, 50 different questions. They are different questions. You need to understand that. Right? Why didn't you color here also pink, orange, blue, and yellow?
Because trees are always brown, na?
Okay, and here cycle is blue. A person is blue.
Hello.
This lines and trees, like, I know you are showing a wonderland kind of a feel, or but you need to change the color and this pattern of work. It won't work. It will work in one question, not in all. All right?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
All right. Sheila, this is
Yes, ma'am.
Disha. One second.
Ma'am,
Sheila.
that's
Yes,
doodling and
Sheila.
scribbling only, but I've written it as storyboarding.
Wow, that's new thing. Okay. ये सब इतना छोटा छोटा क्यों है? मुझे तो मेरा नंबर तो लगने ही वाला है, तुम लोग और बढ़ा दो. ये शीला, why is it in a miniature? Is it miniature painting competition?
No.
Huh? Is it?
No,
Or you
I
will
mean
buy imagine I am zooming in and it's still so small. No one will break their eyes on this question. They will just move on to the next, marking you 0. Again, in the second one, no one will read these kinds of things. What to do now? Update. He is no more. Sorry. There's too much going on. Why can't it be as simple as this one that you have made?
Okay, ma'am, I'll
It's
reduce.
understood she's sitting in a laboratory or an astronaut place or in NASA and she's observing these things. Again, in this one, I need simple things, and you are making more things and complicating your life. If you don't know how to make a helicopter, why are you adding it? Zoom in, make bigger things and finish it. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
But here, like these 20 elements, not needed at all.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Disha.
Yes, ma'am.
Disha, I like your first one.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
And there is a connect. I just would want you to color it.
Yeah, ma'am.
You have taken a social issue and no one will say no to it. Like, imagine a person in India you will make a social issue and they will tell you, no, this is wrong. So that is how you put a person in a dilemma that you have to give me marks because I've written about society, I've written about environment. That's the trick, right? So if you understood it, very smart and good job. Charm, is that the bracelet charm?
No, ma'am. That is the eye part, and that is the mascara from where
Okay. But you have written the heading charm, right?
Yeah,
So it's
means
like you're
the
charming.
beauty, the charm. Yeah.
Okay. Beauty, the charm. Okay, then I get
Yeah.
because first I thought it's that bracelet trinklets.
No,
They are also called
no.
charms.
Yeah.
But good. And water conservation, save water. It's good. In the charm one behind, you need to make more things.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Maybe a mirror, something. All right. Terrorism, I like this one. Post office, थोड़ा simple है, उसमें all details आनी पड़ेगी.
मैंने और एक फोटो भेजा है उसमें ये कंप्लीट नहीं हो रखा है इसमें.
हाँ, I saw that mail. I will open
Yeah.
it now. Complete the box. I like the idea of the halwai and everything. Make the
Yeah.
base. वो हवा में तो नहीं है ना दिशा?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So that will stick to the eye. So make the base. नीचे क्या है? Make that line here. Make the line here. make
Yes,
a side में चीजें, because अभी तुम्हारा brick और कढ़ाई भी हवा में है. When you will make a base, you
yes.
will know it's standing.
Yeah.
Okay. You have sent me one more, the second box. Movie, press, postman. Postman, okay, now it's fine. Now it looks good that you
Yeah.
are trying to complete the thing. Color it. After coloring, this will look
Yes,
much
ma'am.
better.
Yeah.
Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. All right. Who is this XCDJX?
Hello, ma'am. Yeah, mine, Chakradhar.
Chakradhar? Why CDJX?
That's for my friends.
CDJX? Are you sending these
No,
mails to your
they call
friends
me
or to
DJ.
professional people? Tell me
Also, I
one
put
thing.
my name on that part. I couldn't change my Gmail. I forgot about that.
Yes, change it if you're going to use it for professional use, or make a professional one different. This is very good, Chakradhar, the first and the second one. Very good job. The coloring can be a little darker. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But very good use of the lines. The second one, I don't understand it. I felt it because I discussed this in class, that okay, it's the end of the month, or maybe it's a Sunday and just everything is disturbed.
No,
But
on the calendar, I made that birthday symbol. So yesterday it was his birthday. Is the condition of that
yeah,
next day condition of his house.
that's what I am telling, that I discussed this in class. It's very basic. Like, it was a birthday. Are you getting my point? Out of 180 people will do that. So now when we have done this once, the second time when we do it, or if it comes in exam, we will not make a birthday. We'll make something else. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes.
This one also is the good. The first four is good. The second four, I don't know what happened. वो rainbow बहुत ज़्यादा बार coming again and again and looks a little kiddish. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
And the last one, good. She's in a train or a bus?
No. I'm showing the road to the 2021. So all the destruction which has happened in 2020.
Okay,
The
then make
milestone.
okay, then make a bubble. Then show that it's a dream.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't show it like a window. Show that she's imagining somewhere, either here or outside. Somewhere you need to show.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that's the case in everything. There needs to be a circle, square, rectangle inside which you need to make the pictogram or signage, and there needs to be a title below. Are we clear?
Okay.
Your
Okay.
concepts are good, but you need to fair them up. Okay?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Next time I will do better.
Not next time. Today only you will do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And now tell me, who was your partner? Have you done the storyboarding?
Shreya, ma'am.
So who sent it? Like, she sent it?
Shreya. Yeah, ma'am. Shreya sent it.
ID is
So when his turn,
That
when the
with
turn will
gmail.com.
come, we'll check. When the turn will come, we'll check. Okay.
Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Rohita, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Rohita, what is happening with the coloring, yaar?
Ma'am, actually, I don't have exact color pencils, so I use Camlin, but it started breaking. Like when I sharp it, it breaks.
Where do you
Every-
live? Where do you live?
Maharashtra, Malkapur.
Amazon works there?
No, ma'am, I tried, but it's like it don't accept the delivery address.
Okay. Then remove the color from it, because don't use that color. You are spoiling your hand. Okay. You don't use color then if you don't have. Otherwise, use proper colors. There's no point of working like this. Okay,
Yeah,
but the concept is good. For the lift one, it's very good. This 2 meter distance with mask is very good. Temperature check needs to be done again. ये मतलब square भी ढंग से नहीं बना.
Yes, ma'am.
So this needs to be done again. Wear mask. ये लड़का और ये लड़की ये perfume bottle लग रहा है.
Okay, ma'am. I'll.
And what ladka ladki only will wear? Rest other people, children, adults. What about them?
Ma'am,
Like
it's
everyone, na,
male,
needs
no?
to wear mask.
Male, female, like.
So it's not needed, na. Everyone has to wear mask. Just make a mask with a proper face or something like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Again the same year तो repeat पे है वो bottle of perfume is on repeat.
Yes, ma'am. I'll correct it.
Yes, like this you can just make this simply this.
These are pictograms.
Yes, but this can be
Yeah.
used in signage also to wear a mask.
Yes.
That's why the topic was given to you so that you do smart work. The same which is in the signage, you make the same in pictogram also. Just change a little bit. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
What is this, Chadu?
It's complain like if any employee wants to complain regarding to sanitization or something.
For
So-
someone is not sanitizing properly, then
Anything can be like
then
if there
that
any.
needs to show. That needs to show. You need to brainstorm more symbols for this,
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
like report issue or like those kinds of symbols. You need to add in the background or on the top of it.
Okay, ma'am.
और ये तो मतलब बहुत काम चलाऊ काम, मतलब ये घर और 2 मंथली कैलेंडर, मतलब उसमें तुमने डेट भी नहीं लिखी कि यू नो यू विल शो मंडे ट्यूसडे. डू अ लिटिल मेहनत प्लीज in this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what about story?
With Mihir, I have sent it.
Okay, you have sent it. All right. Mihir, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Yeah.
All right, first one is done by who, second is done by who, or everything is done by who?
No, ma'am, Rohita did all the sketching work because I wasn't
Okay.
getting any time. So I wrote the story and I sent it to her.
Okay. So, okay, there are kids playing, their dad comes home, right? They are playing PUBG and they go out and they just start planting trees.
No. Actually, it is like they're playing. So the dad goes, like dad thinks that why are they always stuck on phone? So yeah, he asks them whether they want to join him for gardening. So they are like, no, we don't want to. These are the things for old people.
Okay.
So all of a
then-
sudden, the mobile goes off, and a random person with the name Mr. Warman shows up and says that start planting or it is going to be a mess.
There's a
So
lack
they-
of
they-
connection here. See, if I show that electricity went off in one of the screens here, and then they have nothing to do and they are getting bored, and then they are seeing their father planting trees, and then they get inspired, that could be a different story. That you know your
Yeah.
parents are inspiring you because you need to do things if you want your children to do them too. So that is a connection. But here, a third person who is, I don't know, a Superman or who it is, who is coming.
That person is basically
Random.
warning message. Yeah.
So, but who is that person? Is he a superhero or something?
No. He's not. He's a bad
Then
person.
that needs to be defined because he's
Yeah.
the important part, because he's coming to clean and the children are getting inspired by him. But who is he? Why is he so inspirational? That needs to be understood. I have
Yeah.
no issue if you bring a superhero here and the children get inspired and they want to do what he does. That story is completely fine. So that end, last 3 blocks at least need to have some more thought. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And for everyone who is here, right, everything is not about just planting trees. You all are just planting trees. That's it. In dream or in school or in home, you are just planting trees. Move out from it. Move out. There is so much. Stop using plastic. Stop using so many things. Don't, please. Don't work like this. No one plants trees these days. Mitushi and Anshul, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I really liked both of yours work. Uh, I don't know if it connects together, but okay, that game starts in visually. Of course, two people have different style of sketching or rendering, but it's a very good job. Like how they were playing, and then the game starts, and they are in the game, and really good work done. Keep it up. The work should be like this. I wouldn't even ask for a story where you see it and you understand what is happening. Mitushi and Anshul, very good work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mitushi, are you here? Yes, you must be here. Signage. I think Mitushi and one more person, Bitul, and one more person is the only people who actually realized when I said that I need your pages to be like this, where you are brainstorming, where you are at least making 3 signages and then using one. You need to realize it's 50% cat, 70% cat, NID NIFT. कितना मैथ्स करोगे? ये करना पड़ेगा. This will make you pass. So try to work. Mitushi, very good job. It's just that in this app one, I need a little bit more of creativity. It's all yellow and it's all little icons.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to make latest news in a different way. Question mark in a different way. Help desk can be something else also. So just in the pictogram, you need to do more effort. Okay?
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
All right. Hema Shri, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Rest, if yours is done, you can leave, okay? So if people it's done, you can leave. Hema Shri. Hema Shri, and please do not hug. What is the signage? Like the whole thing? Then the whole thing will come under a square or a circle, na?
Okay.
या राइट वो लेटर्स हवा में तो होंगे नहीं, कहीं तो होंगे, स्क्वायर के अंदर, रेक्टेंगल के अंदर, ट्रायंगल के अंदर. It just can't be like that. Okay? Go
Yes, ma'am.
cashless. I don't want text. I want an icon, symbol, image. I don't want text. If I had to write, I would write, right? I would not take the topic of signage and pictogram. Signage is a symbol, pictogram is a picture. That needs to be present. Same in please stay here. Image. Take away only. Image. These are text. Text is not allowed in signage and pictogram. You can put them outside, not inside.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
I'll
So
see.
this needs to be done. And these are good. I like the helpline number, security, location finding. But security is for what? How will it help in after Corona?
Uh,
See, the question needs to be read again and again to understand what is asked, and then you need to put effort. Otherwise, this time that you gave here is lost. Stay calm, I understand. Helping number, I understand. 10 minutes prior, I don't understand. What does it mean?
so that they can be punctual.
Punctual after Corona, how is it important? The topic was post-pandemic pictograms that are required in an app.
Ma'am, because like most of us are habituated to the present, situation. I mean, not trying to be actually. It's really hard to change after to come back to our, the actual lifestyle.
So that thought is not given there. ना? तुमने तो बस नीचे 10 minutes prior लिखा है. If it's a 10
ma'am,
minutes prior mental exercise to become more active before starting your work, then it's completely different.
Okay.
Okay, so वो I know you are clever, you could answer me, but वो दिखना चाहिए on the paper also. Okay. Okay, and
Yes.
where is your storyboard? Did you do it? Okay, Mashri storyboard. Okay, this I checked for both of you, right? For Nisi and Hema, I've already checked. Okay, Sheila, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
I like this symptom check. He's so irritated. I like this, but where is the circle, rectangle? What is the design element of a signage? Shape, size, color. Shape. What is the shape here? If I have to print this out and paste it, then how will I print and take out the sticker? Sticker circle hoga, square hoga, rectangle hoga, triangle hoga, right? That needs to come inside.
Okay.
Symptom check. Okay, and above that you can make a ill, like how he is coughing, you can make one more exclamation or something like that. Okay.
Yes.
Housekeeping, very good. You can put a time above this, a small clock, so the people know that timely housekeeping or cleaning is happening in the workplace. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Doctor's appointment. You can make a circle here and just write doctor's help. And that doctor, you need care. You need to change his bottom part. It looks a little weird.
Okay.
Okay.
Because the theme of the signages was triangles and circles, so I tried
I
making
got it, but still it could be better, like a little bit better. Maybe black. Try black on white. Okay, and book a meeting room is correct. Just these people need to look same, like same triangles.
Yes, okay.
Yes, and hands, please, hands.
Okay.
Yeah. Leave application, very good. Doctor, very good. Maintain distance on app, how?
These are the signages, right? This is in the workspace.
First one was the signage. Okay. Have you misunderstood the concept of signage and pictogram? See, the first ones that you made that are supposed to be in the office are signages. These are signages. That will be the office at different places, right?
Yes.
And the below one that you have made look more appropriate to the app, which means they are more like pictograms. This leave application I would need in an app, but this housekeeping and doctor's appointment I would need in the office. I would need to book a meeting room in an office. This can come in app and office both, but the other three come as signage.
Okay.
Okay. No handshake, fine. Maintain distance in the office, but then what happened to the rectangle? It's so, or was sanitize me, it looks like a water droplet.
Yeah.
All right, so just look at this. And have you done the storyboard?
Yes, it was with Apurva.
Okay, so when Apurva's turn will come, we will check it. Anjali, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali.
Ma'am, if you mind, could you check ours? Because I have a test to write tomorrow, so I can leave.
What's your name?
Apurva.
One second. What's the name from? What's the email ID you sent it from? Because I haven't gotten from this thing. Apurva, am I audible to you? Shravya, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
So Apurva, you need to tell me the email ID you sent it from, because from this name I haven't received anything. Or you need to resend it. Anjali.
Yes, ma'am.
And if anyone is in a hurry, drop an email. I will give the feedback on email. You can leave. Like, there's no compulsion to be here and look at things if you have other things to do. Anjali, very good job. Just that,
Thank you,
what happened to the people in this one? यहाँ पे क्या हुआ लोगों को? ये क्या है? एक single line और are we a single line and can you change this one? Because this is the skill of your drawing. So this see this right side one and see the left side one. They are two different things. All right. For the rest of you, if you haven't done it, please do it as soon as possible. Okay. Gaurav, can I leave now?
Ma'am, can I resend that
Yes,
with
Shraddha.
modification? Can I resend with modification?
Yes, please resend. Yes, you can. You can send homework any number of times. Okay. Bye bye.